Mounting fixtures on rounded surfaces, such as steel columns, presents unique installation challenges. Here are several methods to achieve a secure and aesthetically pleasing result. Firstly, consider a mounting bracket with an offset base. These brackets typically feature an adjustable offset base that allows mounting the fixture at varying angles, compensating for the column's curve. The base itself has a flat surface designed for secure attachment to the column. For example, a universal fixture mounting bracket with an offset base readily available from suppliers. Secondly, a bent plate with threaded rod can be fabricated. The required materials include sheet metal, such as aluminum or steel, threaded rod, spacers like washers, and nuts. The steps are as follows. 1. Cut a sheet metal plate to fit the curvature of the column. 2. Bend the plate to precisely match the curve. 3. Drill holes in the plate to accommodate the threaded rod. 4. Insert the threaded rod through the holes, adding spacers and nuts to securely fasten the plate to the column. 5. Mount the fixture to the threaded rod using the fixture-supplied mounting bracket. Thirdly, a cable suspension system offers flexibility. Materials needed are strong cable, like stainless steel, eye bolts, and turnbuckles. The installation process involves these steps. 1. Attach eye bolts to both the fixture and the column at the desired height and angle. 2. Connect the eye bolts with the cable and apply tension using the turnbuckles. 3. Adjust the turnbuckles meticulously to ensure the fixture is perfectly level and stable. Fourthly, a custom fabricated fixture box provides a tailored solution. This involves creating a fixture box specifically designed to match the column's curve, including a pre-cut hole for the electrical box. The procedure unfolds as follows. 1. Create a precise template of the column's radius and thickness. 2. Design and fabricate the fixture box based on this template. 3. Install the electrical box securely into the fabricated fixture box. 4. Mount the completed fixture box to the column using appropriate fasteners. When selecting a method, factors such as the weight and size of the fixture, the column's diameter, and aesthetic considerations should be taken into account.